Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be sharing my swatches and most of all my very critical, not that impressed thoughts of the Catrice Sheer Beauties nail polish collection. I was actually so disappointed while recording this video, doing the swatches and so on, that I was highly debating whether or not to even edit the footage or to even upload it at all, because I am just, I am so disappointed. Let's just put it out there straight away. This is a video I did not enjoy making at all, just because I was so disappointed in this entire collection and I had such high hopes. I was so looking forward trying these out because I'm actually trying to expand like my own preference when it comes to nail polishes. You guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me for a longer period of time and you are part of my little nail family here at YouTube and Instagram, of course. You do know that I love a good creamy super opaque polish, but I can definitely appreciate a nice sheer, like your nails but better kind of nail polish. And I was truly hoping that this collection would be a 8-piece like full range color wise for every skin tone, like perfect collection for that, but I'm very disappointed. And I'm just going to quit the rambling and just say it as it is. I'm not going to talk through for each and every single polish because I do feel like the first 4 or 5 were almost identical to my nails. I have applied one coat for the sake of the length of the video. I have tried these polishes a couple of other times, apart from recording, and I found that I couldn't get them looking any different, not even while applying 2 coats, 3 coats, 4 coats. I even applied 5 coats for some of the colors just to see if I could make it work somehow. Yeah, I am not impressed. These polishes are vegan, they are cruelty free. Catrice Cosmetics is usually a brand that I really love. I do like the first 4 shades, like the really light ones, because I am very pale myself. And I do feel like I can use them if I want to go for a very natural, no nail polish kind of look. But I was hoping to see more of the beautiful shimmer that is in some of these polishes, just like with this third one. The shimmer in this one is so stunning, but it just doesn't translate well to the nails. Even with 3-4 coats, I didn't see it like popping off at all. And that is just such a shame. These polishes are $3.95. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, you know, pregnancy brain being 30 weeks pregnant at the moment. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like it is such a waste of my money because I did purchase these myself. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just very unimpressed, very disappointed, to be honest, because these polishes are €1 above their regular price range. Like the Catrice Icon Nails collection polishes, those are $2.95 a bottle. They are always great, always fabulous, beautiful color ranges, different shades, different finishes, even some sheer colors from that collection I pretty much like. But yeah, I don't know. I really feel like they missed the entire spot for this specific collection, just because these are that sheer that I didn't see any difference between a lot of the colors. And there are 8 shades in this collection. There were even a couple of colors that I felt like they made my nails even look worse. These are my natural nails and I do have a little bit of a gel polish base and top coat overlay. So natural nails always have a little bit of yellow in them. But for example, this one, number 50, Peach for the Stars, because it has a peachy warm undertone to it, and it actually was one of the polishes that actually gave up or gave off some color, it made my nails look so much more yellow than they actually are in real life. And yeah, it's just crazy. I'm not a big fan. If I would like try to recommend any of these colors, it is definitely if you are looking for a very sheer natural looking kind of polish, which is still quite affordable but a little bit higher price range wise when it comes to Catrice Cosmetics as a brand, I would definitely say like check out what kind of skin tone you have yourself. Do you have a darker complexion or lighter complexion? Do you have a warm or a cool or even a neutral undertone? Because that might help you a little bit with picking the right shade. Like for example, this one, number 60, it is way too dark for me. It actually makes my nails look like I smoke or anything like that, which of course I don't. But yeah, it is really up to you whether or not you want to try any of these out. But if you are looking for a color that is just your nail spot better or anything like that, or it just gives a nice like shine to it, just go for one of these 8 bottles and don't get all of them, because you definitely will not use all of them, like trust me on that. So yeah, that was pretty much all I have to mention about these polishes. Do stay tuned for the rest of the colors. There are just 2 more. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just going to quit the rambling and add a little bit of music for the rest of the video, because as I mentioned, I am just not happy working on this video. I'm actually still debating whether or not I'm going to put this online, but I do like to keep it real for you guys and just give my honest opinion, because I always do so. And yeah, I'm just not impressed with this collection at all. But yeah, thank you so much for watching on forehand. I hope you enjoy it as far as that's actually possible. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in next week's video.